Hi friends! In this video, we will discuss about different types of wigs for beginners. Hair is very important to humans and it always was. It had its part of mythology and its real part. Those that had no hair were forced to replace it with artificial replacement wigs. So if you are a beginner, let's find out everything about different types of wigs. Wigs have two basic parts, hair and a cap to which is hair attached to. Wigs differ from each other in the material from which they are made of and in the ways in which caps of wigs are done. We will describe some of them here. Types of wigs for beginners, human or synthetic. This is among the hefty problems of picking a hair unit. Your client may choose from synthetic or human hair. Besides, there are different types of wigs for beginners within the mentioned categories to decide between. Human hair. This type of hair offers the most organic feel and look, alongside styling versatility. This hair type also demands more care along with styling. It is worth the investment provided they can last over a year with the required care. Synthetic hair. Synthetic hair with higher quality offers a feel and look similar to human hair, but carries limited styling versatility, requires little upkeep and can commonly be worn when it's unpackaged. Less sturdy than human hair and will last 4 to 6 months with proper take care. Virgin hair. This is among the best human hair wigs available. This hair comes from a single donor and does not go through the process of perm, dye, or bleach. This aids in cutting down on tangles and can withstand more than 12 months with proper care. Virgin hair is Remy's hair, but not every Remy hair is virgin hair. Heat-friendly synthetic hair. This hair type offers more versatility in styling as it is heat-friendly. This synthetic hair can be challenging to style compared to human hair. They are less durable than conventional synthetic hair and can last 30 to 60 days with proper care. Types of human hair wigs. A standard, weft, cap is the most basic type of wig. It is made with a sewing machine that sews each row to each row of hair weft until it got a cap. Because it is a machine made, it is most cheap wig type. Monofilament wig has a cap made from polyester or nylon mesh. Strands of hair are individually hand-tied into a mesh. This kind of cap seems like natural skin because it is possible to see the wearer's skin through it. A capless wig has lace strips instead of a cap. That kind of wig is lighter and skin can bread underneath it. A lace wig is a full wig with lace at the front part of the wig. It helps hair to fall naturally and gives the whole wig a more natural look. A vacuum wig is custom-made for a particular customer. It is made by taking the exact shape of the costumer's head with the help of the mold. When made like that, it fits perfectly. So now you must be aware that human hair wigs tend to look natural as they have a higher quality in terms of texture and feel. At Ah Hair International, you will be able to find different types of wigs to style your hair perfectly. You can contact us for more information.